So today we will be making an application which will use a DLL. We will have two parts. First, writing a DLL whose function we are going to call, and the other part or the other application will be writing a test client for the DLL. So let's get started. We are going to make the program in Visual Studio and in Visual C++. So say File, New Project, and while choosing the new project you have to go to Visual C++, then MFC, and then MFC DLL, name a DLL because this is the project name also and the DLL name also, which we are going to use in our later application. Say OK. Next, let it be a regular DLL using shared MFC DLL. Finish. Now we have to add a class because these are the classes which this DLL project has provided us. We have to make a new class and we'll make a function in that class only. Say add class, add a class, and we'll choose a generic class. Let the class name be CMyClass, and this .h and .cp will be generated. Base class will not give. Finish. Okay, now we have this. We'll add a member function into this class because this is the function which we are going to use or in the later application. We have to add a particular function saying hello or welcome to the user. So we'll go to my class, we'll add a function, and the function return type may be C string, and let it be welcome, the function name as welcome. Then let's have a parameter type and name it as, say, some string name, and we'll add it and finish. So now we have a function. We'll go to this function and we will give only return some say welcome, and we'll add this string name here. So this will return as welcome whatever name is provided to this string name. So this is done. We have to go to the .h of this myClass.h, and here one thing we have to add, because we want it to be usable to the external application. Okay, so we have to fix certain signature, and this is the signature. All three of them, whichever function you want to use, you can prefix this particular code here. And now this is done. Let me build it for you. Build solution. If any error is there, we'll see to it, or otherwise, see, it is asking, because this is a DLL, it will ask for an executable. And I'll go to open folder to Windows Explorer. I'll show you what has happened. We have a DLL now, we have a lib now, so this we are going to use in another application. So one application has been made, a DLL has been prepared along with a lib. Now I'll make an application which will consume this. So I may close this solution, or rather it is not mandatory, we can add one more application here also. So we'll file new project. I am adding a project. I'll go into Visual C++, then say MFC and MFC application. This will be a dialog based application. I name it as test DLL and say OK. next, and make it as dialog based. Next, you can change it as per your convenience. Next, next, and we have two classes. Test DLG, we'll write our code here and finish. So let's add something to basic functionality to this dialog. We'll give a static text, say enter your name, and we'll add a text box, that is a edit control, and we'll add a variable also. Add variable, say it as value, and variable type is C string only, and the variable name will be emit. Okay, now this is done. Say finish. We have a variable also which will actually take the string which user will provide. Now we'll go to this test DLG, and before that let me add functionality to this OK also. What we will add is, because user is inputting, so we have to do update data true, and we'll take the result from the edit control. For that we have to make a string, say it, the result will take in some variable, say it as string result, and I will have a class. I have to make a class, and then I have to call that function welcome. So how we are going to make that class? We have to make that class in this class view, and we go to this place, we add a variable, and that variable will be of type, the type of my class. Okay, you understood? Because we need a variable from the previous for the previous .h, .lib and .dll to be used. For that we need any object, but the class should be C my class. So let it be like this, and variable type can be C my class, and the variable name will be of your choice. Okay, I have added it, finish, and the variable is there now. I can use it straight away. The variable is this dot. Okay, now when I'm entering this dot, I'm not getting anything. For this reason, I know that we have to add the dot h also. Okay, so let me go to the previous solution. Let me take dot h, copy, and solution explorer, let me paste it, go to the place, let me paste it again, go back to the previous, and I will take what? I will take the DLL also. So projects, test DLL, my test, and I'll take the both DLL and lib also. So it is in my DLL. Let me take these two, copy it, and paste it here. Okay, now we have dll.lib and myclass.h as well. I have to add it. Where to add? Just above this. Okay, let me add this. Now these two are integrated. I mean, this particular thing is integrated. And I have to do one more thing. I have to take this and paste it somewhere also. Where? in .h. So go here, paste it. Now work is done because this will be known. And one more thing I have to do, I have to go to test.dll properties and linker input additional dependency, and what I have to give, I have to give the name of the lib. What was the name of the lib? This was the name of the lib which was previously made. Okay, say okay. Now let me go back to this point and I will just enter dot, and this will be available to me. For getting this, I did all those copy pasting and linking, etc. So from where the string will come? From emedit, and we don't require this. Let me run it for you. And this is the dialog. Let me enter, say Elena. Okay, say okay. We need to show it also, so I have to write one more line, that is AFX message box string result. Okay, this is the final thing. I want to print it. Now let me run it again. Say some Jack, say okay, and welcome Jack. So this is what we have done. We have made a DLL, and after making DLL we were having three files, .h, .lib and .dll. We made another application, we added it the steps I told you, and we use this function from the DLL. So thank you so much, take care.